Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to use a lofting line in your tiling module. Okay, let's get started. So firstly, come to your customization and click on your tiling function. Okay, so once you're in, alright, click on the wall, right click on the wall and then click on add tile. Okay, so firstly, draw a region, so I'll be using a rectangle. Okay, so if let's say I want to have two, I can just click on the right click on the rectangle, copy region, and then paste my region. Alright, so right now I'd like to draw a circle in the middle. Okay, so for the left hand side, click on the region and then come on top here and click on lofting line. Okay, so just select any one of it, the sections, and then click on it to select the material. Okay, and then click on save. For the next one, do the same thing, lofting line, choose your section and also your material, and then click on save. Alright, so what if I want to have a little bit of some patterns? So I can just click on the middle part and delete it. So when I go back, it will look something like that. So this is how you do a lofting line. Good luck trying, guys.